Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your PlayStation 5 Pro offline. So maybe you don't have an internet connection or something like that, or you want to go ahead and prevent this in the future happening. So what you want to do is on the home screen here, go up to the top, go to Settings, and scroll on down to Users and Accounts. Then go on down to Other, and then go to the right. And here's the option. It's called Console Sharing Offline Play. So you have to go to your main account and set this to Console Sharing Offline Play and enable this. Otherwise, if you lose your internet connection, you won't be able to play your game. So just simply go to where it says Enable, and then you should be good to go. This will also share PlayStation Plus and your games to every other account on your PlayStation. Now you can only have one PlayStation set as enabled at a time. So if you have a PS5 Pro and a PlayStation 5, you can only have one of them set. So you have to decide which one you want. And then you can play your games when you don't have an internet connection. Very simple. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on your Six Stack.